Hey y'all! If you would like to see how I achieve this juicy twist out on freshly washed natural hair, then please keep watching. So I am starting off with freshly washed hair. Before I washed my hair, I applied the Eden Body Works Jojoba Monoi Natural Deep Conditioner on damp hair. I covered my head with a shower cap and sat under the dryer for about 20 minutes. I then used the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo from Shea Moisture, as well as the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner from Shea Moisture. I think out of the products that I've used, this is probably my favorite from the line. So when I do my twist out, I like to use the LCO method because I have low porosity hair. So low porosity hair means it's hard for my hair to retain moisture. So I like to end the process with using an oil. So the L stands for leave-in, the C is for a cream, and the O is for oil. So right now I am using the Camille Rose Naturals Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. I actually just started using this. It was actually referred to me by someone else who has low porosity hair. It has really good slip and it smells really good. And so far, so good. It's working. As naturals, it takes a while for you to find the product that really, really works for your hair. But I like it. But yeah, once you get that all worked through your hair, I'm just gonna begin combing my hair. So I do my twist out in sections. So I start off with the back, and then I'm gonna eventually work my way up to the front. So my hair was looking a little thirsty, y'all. So I had to go ahead and saturate my hair with some water. And I went ahead and began to part it or section it off to prepare it for the twists. So now that my hair is sectioned off, I am going to add just a little more water and comb through it just a little more to make sure that there are no tangles before I begin to add my product. So the second product that I'm going to use in the LCO method is my cream. And I like to use, actually the only cream I've ever used is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I got this from Target. You can find this anywhere. I use it for all my curly hairstyles, bantu knots, twist outs, and wash and goes, anything you name. I'm also going to use the oil, and I have recently began using an almond oil, which I purchased this on Amazon. Almond oil is really good for people with low porosity hair because it's a light oil and it doesn't outweigh your hair. So I started to do a 2-strand twist throughout the back portion of my head. I usually just do flat twists throughout, the front and back of my head, but this time I decided to try something different. So I actually like the turnout. The curls came out very defined, and I think they probably lasted a little longer, at least the back portion of how it would normally last if I were to do just a regular flat twist throughout my head. Alright, so I am going to speed this up a bit. We are finally on the front portion. So I'm just going to go ahead and spritz some water throughout my hair because it did get a little thirsty while working on the back. And I also went ahead and put my leave-in in. And I'm not going to lie, guys, it did take some time to part my hair. That part, I struggled a bit, but it did take some time, so bear with me. as I go ahead and comb through and section out my hair to begin the flat twist on the front. So now that my hair is finally sectioned off, I am ready to begin my flat twist. I've already applied the leave-in, so I just go ahead and add the cream and the oil and work that through my hair. I'm going to take 2 strands from the top of that section and I'm going to begin twisting. And the point of the flat twist is it's kind of like braiding, but it's twisting. So you're going to keep grabbing more hair from your scalp and twisting until you get all the way down to the bottom. So I'm pretty much done with the front of my hair. I have one last flat twist and I just do the same exact thing. I apply my cream, my oil, and then I'm going to take 2 strands from the top of that section and I'm going to begin to twist until I get all the way down to the bottom. So I have already added pretty much all the rods. I'm using the tiny ones that I did purchase at the beauty supply store. I just start at the tip of the twist and I just roll up about 3 rolls just to give the tips a little extra curl. So I am finally beginning to look just a little presentable. So it is time to take down the twist. I let them dry overnight and I just slept on a good old satin pillowcase. I went ahead and took my almond oil and rubbed it throughout my twist and throughout the top part of my hair and just slowly begin to unravel the twist, not to mess up the curl pattern or, you know, cause too much frizz. I mean, even if I do, I don't mind because I like frizz. I like big hair anyway. I just like to make sure that it's not too much on day one so it lasts throughout the week. So here I'm laughing because my mom finally sat down to watch the TV show The Shea. And she claims that she knows the old guy on there, the OG, the guy who knew everyone, who knew of everything, right? She said she went to acting or theater school or something with him. I don't know. She said she did something. But you know, my girl used to be an actress back in the day, so you can't tell her nothing, but whatever. Anyway, I'm just separating the curls and prepping it for the fluffing process. So it is time to fluff my hair. I just like to go ahead and take a pick and shake out my curls and pull just a tad bit from the roots, not the ends, to shape the curls the way you want them to be shaped. So you can take as much time or as little time as you want with this. After I fluff out my curls, I like to use the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste and a toothbrush to lay down my edges. Hey, as my aunt say, don't tell your girl she not sharp. Your girl was feeling herself. Alright guys, if you like this video and would like to see more natural hair videos, then please like, comment, and subscribe.